Good morning, beta. Yesterday we had discussed exercise 10.2 practical geometry. Now let's start with the next exercise. In this exercise, two sides are given and one angle is given. Name of the triangle is DEF, angle D is given. Whatsoever angle is given, you will always take that angle in the base. Like angle D is given, so you will take that angle in the base. Is it okay? DF is given as 3, DE is given as 5. So what you will do, you will start with base 5. We will start as base 5 DE. We want 90 degree here. Can you tell me how you will draw 90 degree? How you will draw 90 degree?
Ma'am, with the help of D.
Mute yourself. How you will draw 90? You will take radius. You will draw a semicircle here. You will put the arc of the same radius. Then from this arc, you will again put the arc. Then you will make half of it. How you will make half? You will draw the arc from this point and this point. When you will join this will give you 90 degree. Have you seen that? How I have drawn from this point, I have drawn the semicircle. Then of the same radius, I have drawn the arc from this point. Then from this point, then I have made the half of this. What you will do? You will join this. This will give you 90 degree angle. You will increase this line because it is a line, it can move in one direction. So you have to increase that line. Now the next step is we have drawn the base, we have drawn this angle. Now we want 3 centimeter line. What you will do? You will measure the 3 centimeter. You will measure the 3 centimeter and you will put the arc from this point. D से लाइन जा रही है ना 3 की, तो ये 3 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन आ, ओके, ये 5 की है, ये 3 की है. नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल ज्वाइन this is your 3 centimeter, this is 5, this angle is 90 degree, so this triangle is DF. Is it okay? Is it okay beta? Any doubt? Any doubt in this beta? Firstly, you will draw the base that contain the angle. So that base is 5 centimeter. At D, we have drawn 90 degree angle with the help of the compass. Then after constructing the angle of 90 degree, you will put the arc from D of 3 centimeter as DF is given. DF. So DF is 3. So from D, we have drawn the arc of 3 centimeter and you have given that arc as name F. And we have joined EF. Write the steps of construction.
मैम रेडियस कैसे लेना?
कोई भी रेडियस ले लो, कोई भी रेडियस. Is it okay? Please construct it. Then after this, I will speak of the step of construction that you will write side by side. Yes, Lakshay. Yes.
मैम गलती से हो गया था।
Done. Write down. First step is draw DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Write the steps. Draw DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Second point, draw D is equal to 90 degree. Draw angle D is equal to 90 degree. Draw DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw angle D is equal to 90 degree. Third point, from D, what we have drawn? We have drawn the arc of 3 centimeter. From D, draw an arc of 3 centimeter. From D, draw an arc of 3 centimeter. Give it name X. Which cut DX? From D, draw an arc of 3 centimeter. Which cut DX at F? Which cut DX at F? Fourth point is join FE. Join FE.
Coming to the next question. How does malaria spread?
Join FE. Next is, this is a required triangle DEF. This is a required triangle DEF. Done? Any doubt? Is it okay? Next is construct. Yes, Jalash? Yes, Jalash?
मैम जॉइन ईएफ के बाद में क्या है?
This is a required triangle DEF.
ओके मैम.
Now the next question is construct an isosceles triangle whose each equal side is, Jalash, how much the dimension given? Yes, Samriddhi? Yes, Satvik?
Yes.
What's the length of the side isosceles triangle?
Ma'am, 6.5 centimeters.
3.5?
Ma'am, 6.5.
6.5, okay. So you have to construct the isosceles triangle whose equal side is 6.5 and the angle between the equal side is 110. Nothing else is given. So how you will start? Actually, आपके पास two sides given है. Can you tell me why I have drawn the figure like this? Can you tell me why I have drawn the figure in this manner? Actually, the angle is obtuse. 110 is an obtuse angle. 110 is obtuse angle. So that will always move towards the outside direction. Okay. And these two sides are equal. That is 6.5. 6.5. Is it okay? So two equal sides are given 6.5 and 6.5. And the angle between the two equal sides is given as 110. Nothing else is given. So this is exactly same. Base and the one side is given. So you will keep one thing in mind. It is compulsory to have three things for the construction of triangle. Three things are compulsory. If less than three things are given, so it's not possible to construct the triangle. So what you will do, you will start with the base. We will start with the base 6.5. Give it name A, B, C. A, B. We have drawn the base 6.5. Draw the base 6.5. Give it name AB. Give this name AB.
that whenever केवल ये लाइन अपना वाक्य ऐड कर लेना that an of the possible bicyclic person suffering from malaria is such that malaria transfer.
Yes, everybody mute yourself. Mute yourself. Hurry up. The next step is you have to make 110 degree. The numbers which are divisible by the table of 15 will be drawn with the help of compass. Like 90 was the angle in the first question and 90 was divisible by 15. So we have drawn it with the compass. But 110 is not divisible by 15. So we will draw this angle by protractor. So you will keep this point here. This line this black line will be on this white line and 110 we want. So I will mark here 110 degree. So this is your 110 degree. 110. And this line will be your x. जैसे उसमें draw की थी. Do it. Any doubt? We have drawn the base. We have drawn 110 degree. Now, what will be the next step? Yes, Angad, can you tell me the next step? Jasmeet, Samriddhi, yes, Khushi. Now what you will do, you will make 6.5 centimeter arc. This is your 6.5. And from this point, you will again mark 6.5. Why? Because this line is also 6.5. And the name is C. So you will mark the arc from A of 6.5 and you will join them. This will be your required triangle ABC, which is isosceles. AB 6.5 centimeter hai. Today you have test na? Test will be at 5 p.m. and the test will be in the PDF form. Your test is of chapter number 13, exponent and power. Be prepared for the test. After the test, you will have the answer key. You can check your answers. Okay. And in the same way, the last time you send me the marks, I want to see your progress. So you will do the same thing. Okay. Is this clear? Any doubt? Write the steps. Draw AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Draw AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Second point, draw angle A is equal to 110 degree with the help of protractor. Draw angle A is equal to 110 degree. You will write like this. Okay. Next step is draw arc of 6.5 centimeter. Draw arc of 6.5 centimeter from A. Draw arc of 6.5 centimeter from A, which cut AX, which cut AX. You can increase this line also if you want. Which cut AX at C. Draw the arc of 6.5 centimeter from A, which cut AX at C. Next point is join BC. Join BC. Is it okay? Any doubt? Join BC. Next step is, this is required triangle ABC. This is required triangle ABC. Actually, the name of the triangle is isosceles. In case of isosceles triangle, two sides and two angles are always equal. If these two sides are equal, can you tell me which two angles are also equal? These two angles. The angle opposite to this side and the angle opposite to this side. So angle B and C are also equal because the angles opposite to equal side are already equal. If the sides are equal, angles are equal. If the two angles are equal, then the opposite sides must be equal. Got it, beta? Is it okay? Any doubt? Any doubt?
मैम थर्ड पॉइंट रिपीट कर दो.
Repeat what you are saying.
मैम थर्ड पॉइंट रिपीट कर दो.
From A, draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter. From A, draw an arc of 6.5 centimeter, which cut AX at C. Which cut AX, line का name AX है ना? AX at C. Next is join BC. Join BC.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.